for you somewhere. Where did I put that thing? Oh. This is for you.
Thank you, Granny, my own seahorse I wanted. You're so sweet.
Now go play with your dolly over there.
Thank you.
On the roll. Diane Catering. Chili in here. Oh, what was that push I felt? Oh! I think you got it, boy. Honey, help me.
What is it, Granny? What is it? Bird alarm!
Now we're not down to shout me.
What's wrong, Granny?
Get him, boy!
Shout me. Get there, boy. I'm in there.
Granny!
Rooster on line 1. Rooster on line 1. Yeah. We got a little girl. Can't give up her grandma for nothing.
Oh, you shut up, you little country.
And what we need to do, get your big truck over here and bring Doc to slice her neck off. Boat in your truck. We got to get her out of here some way or another before the police come. Hey guys, what's up? Is that your breath or did you just fart?
You dang nugget!
No, there's some really funny names for these car drivers. Okay, start over. The chicken fry on line 1. House on 101 Sunnyvale Lane.